In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find sent emails on Outlook. Whether you are double-checking a message you sent or looking for a specific conversation, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to search efficiently. First, make sure you are looking at your email. If Outlook shows Calendar, People, or another view, click the mail icon in the navigation bar at the bottom. This puts you in the mail view so you can see your folders and message lists. It's a simple step, but it ensures you are working in the right place. Next, go to the left folder pane and select the Sent Items folder. This is the built-in folder where Outlook automatically stores copies of messages you've sent from that account. Once you open Sent Items, you'll see your sent messages listed, and by default they're sorted with the newest at the top. You can scroll to browse through them, and as you move down the list, you'll see older messages. The list typically shows the recipient, the subject, and the time sent, which makes it easy to scan and spot what you need. If you are looking for something specific, use the search bar above the message list. Click into the search field and start typing a keyword from the subject or the message itself, the name or email of the recipient, or a date. For example, you might type a project name, the person you emailed, or a date. As you type, Outlook will narrow down the results to match what you've entered, showing only the sent messages that fit. If you see too many results, just keep typing more details to refine your search. If you are not sure of the exact wording, try a distinctive word or phrase you remember, or the recipient's name, which often works quickly. For dates, even something general like a month and year can help you zero in on the right time frame. When you are done searching, clear the text in the search bar to return to the full list of your sent messages. That way you are back to the default view with the newest emails at the top. And that's it. Thanks for watching.